Oh, hi.
Standing next to a pro, I gotta look kind of like the real deal here. What's going on YouTube? This is Mark Piesek of MP Media, here at you again with another video on lighting. We're doing four lights today. Could be a little tricky, but I'm gonna show you different kind of positioning techniques when it comes to the lighting. 2 rims, 2 fills, 1 low, 1 high. I'm here with my homie, Des Alvarez. She is an IFBB Pro out of Sacramento in off-season.
Off-season.
Now, what does off-season mean to you?
Ooh.
Ah, I threw her on the spot there, didn't I?
That's a good one. Honestly, it's the time to grow. It's the time to perfect my craft, my physique, build what I want to build, grow where I want to grow, eat a little bit more, focus on outside life, focus on my family, my home, my work. Obviously, those things always play a role, but it's really important for me in the off season to give a little bit of extra attention to the other people in my life, because competing is such a selfish sport that the off season, while I'm still improving myself, I am giving back more to those around me.
Now, Des, the one you spotted here again.
I heard it.
Yep. When it comes to shooting in off season, have you learned what positions, what poses work best for your physique when you're not in full-blown, shredded to the bone,
I very rarely do photo shoots in the off season.
I push you to this one.
This will be probably my third in an off season ever. I am, not that I don't appreciate the off season, I am more confident in my own skin when I'm ready for a show, or at least on prep. Not necessarily shredded, but on prep. I mean, realistically, in terms of how to pose, you learn your body, and I don't really believe there's a huge dramatic difference from being in shape, ready to do a show, to doing an off-season photo shoot. I think it's the mental aspect that we struggle with.
That's the thing, but watch this 4-light setup. I'm gonna make her look dope. We're gonna do a little modeling posing techniques, okay? So when you're in off-season, there's little tricks and trades. We like to tell the model to display the physique in a certain way that highlight their best parts during the growing season. Bodybuilding is an illusion altogether. You guys are under lights the whole time on stage. It's all an illusion, okay? So we're gonna show a dope illusion this time. Stay tuned. Good. 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 On. Good. Here we go. Good. All right. Let's rock and roll. Good. There you go. Boom. Beautiful. Good. Good. Yep. Rocking that. Close your eyes. Yep. Good. Love it. Your movements are perfectly subtle. Nice job. Des, slaying it. Yep, oh, push that back a little bit, flex, yeah. Squeeze the lat chops a little bit. There we go, right? And then flex it, flare out. Boom, thank you. Good. Here I'm moving my rim lights to a more sandwich position while putting the lower fill underneath the key light. This will highlight the majority of the physique where the key light and the lower fill is, and the rim lights will give a nice soft edge. So right now I am moving my 4-light setup. However, when you're doing a 4-light setup, the cool thing is you can do 2 lights or 3 lights, or go back to 4. You can have these all different options. So I'm gonna show you a quick little 2-light setup. 2 lights, the rims sandwiching her together, and you're gonna see what those look like while we're playing with the 4 lights. Check this out. Nice. Gorgeous. Great. Good. So you saw a 2-light setup right now with the 4 lights. Now I'm going back to 4 lights. I'm going to see what each individual light does. Check it out. Hold that. I'm gonna be doing one light at a time right now. Good. All right. Good. Now I'm gonna put them all on. All the lights. Nice. There we go. Now we can rock this. Cross your legs. See what that looks like. Good. There we go. Love that. Look at that left shoulder again. That was nice. Good. 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 Good movements. Boom. Excellent. Here is where I put Des against the corner of a wall. I can have the rim light shine against the white wall on her right side. Now I'm not trying to highlight her right side fully, just enough light to fill in the shadows. And then the other rim will bounce behind her on her left side. The key and the lower fill are aimed directly at her to fill in the front end of her physique. So watch me put this setup into action. 4 light setup. And here is one light at a time. That's a great pose, so hold that. It doesn't need to be too crazy, so you can handle it. Next light, there we go. Good. That's the lower. All right, now let's turn everything on. There we go. Good. All right. Yup. Good. See if you can put that left leg out a little bit more. There we go. Nice. There we go. Love that, love that, love that. Nice. Good. Yep, yep, yep. Hold that. Arch, 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 arch. Nice. Twist towards me a little bit. Yep. Boom. Good. Good. Oh, that's sweet. Good. Good natural movement. Love that. See if you can put that left a little bit more separation, like kind of like this. See if you can open it up a little bit. Because when I'm shooting three-quarter, kind of like a wider sense, because when I'm shooting three-quarter body, when it's close, when they're close together, there's no separation. There we go. Better. Yes. Good. 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 If you can move forward a little bit so your glutes aren't squashed by the wall. You know what I mean? Because you're on the wall, so they get flat. If you move forward a little bit, you can still push against the glutes, but the little round will come across. You all right? Oh, 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 heels. So I'm gonna wash the glutes and put them against the wall. Now come out one step closer to me. Right there, yep. Right there, and put it, there we go. Good, good, good. Twist away a little bit from me, good, right there, yep, right there, boom. Oh yeah, nice, nice job. So to finish up, I'm gonna be doing one light, and it's just gonna be a non-direct light. No direct light, none. You'll be using one light, but behind the subject, and nothing is gonna be right in front of her face. So check out these sneak peek tips I'll be showing with just one light, but non-direct. Nice. Good. Good. Sweet. Press, press, press. Get closer to the wall if you can. Yep, yep, yep. Look right at me. Look at that chin. Yep, there you go. Good. 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 There you go, there you go, there you go. So that was our 4 light setup today. We did it in 2 different sections of the studio. So you can get an idea of, you can just move around the lights. You can have them in an X frame or a low fill with a key and then 2 rims. And you can move the rims around a little bit so that you can even have a straight edge or kind of like an angled edge, okay? So not very hard, very low power on the lights, super simple. Now Des, since this was your 3rd shoot in off season, how do you think it went?
Really awesome. I'm really excited. The lighting it's really cool seeing the difference in the lighting and the contouring and the texturing that you create with the light. Like usually when people do photo shoots, it's about the artist, or it's about the models or bodybuilders and whatnot, not the artist, which is you. So it's really cool being able to see both sides of it. Like, we're in front of the camera, creating the art in front of the camera, but you guys are the ones capturing the art and creating the art with all of this crazy stuff that I wouldn't know what to do with. So.
I don't even know what to do with it half the time. Honestly, I'm very non-technical when it's this stuff. I pretty much, oh, this setting looks cool, let's go with it.
No, please don't. Don't let him fool you guys.
A little bit, but I'll be honest, like you don't need to be technically professional on every setting of your camera, your lighting or whatever. The best tip I can give anyone is just go with it. Start with one, turn on another, then turn on another. All right, cool, that works. Just test and tune. You don't need to be stressing out on making sure you know every little nick and cranny of the settings and this and that. Just have fun, test it up, and go with it, all right? Hope you guys learned something today. I'll be coming out with more content soon enough. Like, subscribe, comment below if you liked what you saw today. I'm trying to get better at this stuff myself. YouTube is my next challenge, so I'll be coming out with content all the time, all right? So if you want to know something, send me a DM or a message in the comments on what you want to learn, and I will try to produce it for you. Until next time, guys, create, make dope stuff.
Sorry, that's my food alarm.
Look at this, she didn't eat before she shot. God.
No.
Stay there. You can just kind of dance in the background if you want. So check out these sneak peek pics. I will be... That sounds pretty bad, doesn't it?